Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Irfan bin Muhammad Zaki, holding card metric number 303 and 800. So for this presentation, our group have choose the title for the impact of video game addiction on academic performance among the university student. So this is the table of the content for the research professor of our groups. And for the introduction, we have found that video games evolve from simple offline play to major online entertainment in very fast way. Malaysia's esport and gaming industry is growing rapidly and strongly. So gaming brings creativity and problem-solving benefits to the university students and to the players. However, excessive gaming leads to the addiction and it can lead to the poor time management, reduced study hours to the student, and lower academic result for them as the results. As they studied from the Abdul Kadir 2035 and Ayub and Lee 2022, show that strong negative impact on student academic performance due to the addition of the gaming. So for the research background, what we found has gaming has become an integral part of the university student lifestyle in Malaysia nowadays. The Malaysia's Digital Economy Corporation and that notes that rapid growth in esport and mobile gaming is very fast. The World Health Organization (WHO) recognized internet gaming disorder (IGD) as a behavioral addiction to them. 19% of Malaysian youth meet IGD criteria based on a study from the Abdul Kadir on his research 2025. Playing over 5 hours daily is linked to the poor motivation, can give them a weak focus, and as a result, they can get a lower GPA. So, UEM students represent a high risk group related to the constant digital exposure of the addition of the video games. So, the problem statement that we have found for this research professor that ideal situation student balance gaming and academic responsibly, gap or reality excessive gaming causes distraction, poor grades, and lack of focus. For our study focus, study investigates how video game addiction affect time management, motivation, and performance among the SDDM graduates.
Good day, everyone. Our research is focused on video game addiction and impact on student academic performance and motivations. Let's begin with the research questions. The first, we want to find out the three main things. The first one is the level of video game addiction among the university student. The second one is how does this addiction affect their academic performance and motivations. And the third, the factor that contribute to the relationship between the gaming addiction and academics achievement. Now we are moving to the research objective. We aim to determine the direct effect of video game addiction on student academic achievement and learning the motivations. Next, we want to examine the indirect effects through learning engagement, which include behavior, emotional, and cognitive aspect. Lastly, we will analyze the correlation between gaming addictions, executive function, and academic engagement. Now we move to the scope of our research. This study focused on the undergraduate student at University Utara Malaysia, UUM, especially those who active involved in online gaming. We also will examining how gaming addiction influence their behavior, motivation, and learning engagement. And finally, we hope our finding can help UUM educators encourage balanced gaming habit and enhance student academic success. And the last one for me is research significance. The first one is help and understand gaming influence on student motivation and academic success. The second one is support educator, counselor, and administrator in identifying early signs of gaming addictions. The third one is provide a foundation for awareness campaign, counseling program, and responsible gaming initiative. And the last one is contribute to Malaysian digital well-being study.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Azrul. So today I will be presenting on my part on research proposal study. So for the first one, we will go through the literature review. So here some of the literature review for our proposal. So I will explain some of it. For the first one, the World Health Organization or WHO officially classified gaming disorder as a behavioral addiction where individuals lose control and continue playing despite negative outcome. So, but in Malaysia, there are study for it, such as by Ayok and Lee in 2022, found that online gaming addiction significantly reduced student academic performance. Similarly, Abdul Kadir in 2025 reported that about 90% of the Malaysian youth meet the criteria for internet gaming disorder, especially those who play more than 5 hours a day. So we will go through for proposed methodology. Here I will briefly explain it. So our study combined two main theory to explain how video game addiction affect academic performance. So for the first one, the self-determination theory (SDT) explain how the student motivation seek motivation through autonomy, competence and relatedness where these needs are not met in real life. Students may turn to gaming for satisfaction which can reduce their motivation to learn. For the second one, the cognitive behavioral model of the internet gaming disorder or IGD focuses on self-regulation, cognitive inflexibility, and impulsive behavior, all of which contribute to addictive gaming pattern. Together, this theory show that excessive gaming reduces learning engagement and academic motivation, which ultimately led to lower academic performance. So for the next one, I will go through the process of the flowchart of this study. So this study follow a quantitative cross-sectional design focusing on how video game addiction affect academic performance. First, we identify the issue, which is the impact of the video game addiction on student academic performance. So next we design a questionnaire based on survey to collect data from 50 to 100 undergraduate students at Universiti Utara Malaysia using simple random or convenient sampling. Then we will analyze the data using descriptive statistic, correlation and multiple regression test. An optimal mediation analysis may be also included to examine the right effect through learning, engagement and executive functioning. So for the expected finding and result, uh, the study is expected to show the higher gaming addiction is linked to lower learning motivation and weaker academic performance. Students who are addicted may have reduced behavioral, emotional, and cognitive engagement. However, those with better planning and self-control may be less affected. So overall, the finding will help you educator and counselor create awareness and support program to promote balanced gaming habit among the UEM student. So this is our reference for our study, for our literature review. So that is all from us. Thank you very much.